Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are all having a blessed morning. I know I am. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about swag bucks and how I was able to cash out my $5 payment. And this is basically going to be a payment proof video. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So, on this channel, you guys are going to get videos that teach you how to make money online. So, for those of you that have never made money online before, this is the channel that will teach you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And for those of you that have never used Swagbucks before, site has been around for a very long time. And this is the first time I'm cashing out on it. So, and if you ask me, that's pretty sad. Trying to get to the home page here. Okay, here we go. So as you guys can see, I have 613 Swagbucks. And in my previous video, I had 1,313 Swagbucks. And I withdrew a $5 PayPal gift card for 700 Swagbucks. And how I found that was you go over here, click on redeem your Swagbucks. You should let the page load first before you start scrolling down. Okay. So right here where it says gift cards you can afford now, it's not here right now because I already withdrew the 700 points. It might pop up when my 700 points is back. But for now, if you guys have enough points, you can scroll down to where it says gift cards you can afford now, and you can withdraw these gift cards for a certain amount of points, a smaller amount, which is a lot easier for you. And the main thing I do on this site is surveys. You can watch videos, you can play games, you can answer questions, you can search, but I mainly do surveys. And they give you disqualification points up to 1 point if you get disqualified from the survey, and sometimes you will get the points, other times you won't, because if you don't have the right demographics, you'll get disqualified. That's just the way surveys work. And over here, earn 2 Swagbucks for every 10 questions you answer. And you can also refer friends and get $3 for that, 3 Swagbucks. So that's basically how Swagbucks works. And like I said, all I do on here is I don't do the videos, I don't do the search, I just do the surveys because those are what has gotten me to 1,313 points, and now I have 613 left. So the surveys is what I do on this site. And now I'm going to take you guys over to my PayPal account so you can see that I got paid from Swagbucks. And this is the $5 I received from Swagbucks. And I received that yesterday. And I just checked my email and it showed me that I had a payment waiting. So this is my $5 payment proof from Swagbucks showing you guys that I did get paid. And it seems like it only takes 24 hours. They said it would take up to 7 to 21 business days, but for me it took up to 24 hours for me to receive this. So there you guys go. This is my payment proof for Swagbucks. I will leave the link for you to sign up in the description below also. For watching this video, as long as you've been watching, I'll be leaving free gifts in the description below for you guys to check out as well. That's just my way of saying thank you guys for subscribing as long as you have been, and there's no better way than to give you guys free gifts for the efforts you've put in. Let's see. And just another thing, when it comes to surveys, you guys need to be really patient because it is frustrating when you're doing a survey for 20 minutes or even 45 minutes and you don't get the points. It is frustrating, but at least they offer you disqualification points. It may be 1 point, but there are tons of surveys you can do. There's like 24, I believe, and you will get 24 cents a day, 24 points a day just for doing that. And it's only 1 point. I understand that's not a lot, but it adds up, and that can help you guys out a lot. So take your time, be patient, don't rush, and you will do great on Swagbucks. Like I said, thank you guys for liking this video, sharing it, subscribing. Thank you for being with me from the beginning, because it's been a long journey, and I will continue to upload more videos for you guys as well. So like I said, if you watched the video up to this point, I've left some free gifts in the description below for you guys to check out. And I hope you like this video, and you guys have a blessed day.